It is time once again for The Law and You, featuring award-winning attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks for being here today.
Thanks for having us.
Of course. Always great to see you guys. We've got a tax question to kick things off today for The Law and You. Let's get to it. This is from Francine in Nicholson. She says, I am married but legally separated. My husband and I filed our taxes jointly at H&R Block. They gave us an Emerald Gold card to put in the return instead of either one of our checking accounts. My husband took the Emerald Gold card, and when the money was deposited, took all the return out. Is there anything I can do to receive half of the return? Is Francine out of luck here, or is there anything she can do?
Well, I don't actually think it's a tax question. I think it's more of a question regarding, the circumstances surrounding your divorce. You're legally separated, even though you filed jointly. That money that return is property of essentially of the marriage of you and your husband. So you're going to be entitled to half of that, half of that return. I don't see that your husband has any real justification for taking the entire return, especially if you're separated but you filed jointly. So I think that call your lawyer on, your family law lawyer on this, because
yeah, well, you see these with the divorces all the time. People will file a tax return. They will take credits they're not supposed to. They will get refunds they're not supposed to. So, obviously it's better to have better communication between you and your ex-spouse to work through those issues. But if not, there is recourse. You can talk to your lawyer. If need be, they can get a matter heard before a judge. But again, these things are always sticky and messy. So again, I agree with that. Give your lawyer a call and get some good advice on that one.
Now, I know you guys do not handle family law, but you have some great contacts you could advise people to. If they need help, how can they reach you?
They can just give us a call, 570-714-HURT, or see us on the web at 714hurt.com.
Or go to our Facebook page. And if you have a question like this, it's obviously of a confidential nature. We can certainly, if you don't have a lawyer, we can refer you to somebody that handles family law and that could, help you out in this situation, because it looks like you're going to have to get into court to try to get some of that money back that your husband took.
And Ed, you may even Snapchat too.
Oh, we Twitter, we tweet, we Snapchat. Vivo, we do it all.
Social media maniacs here.
You
all right.
know
Media giant.
Results matter with attorneys Greg Fellerman and Ed Saramboli. Guys, thanks. We'll see you next time.
Take care.
PAHomepage.com or the Law and You hotline are available. They get a question here on the show.